Okay, I'm replacing the blower resistor on my 2013 F-150. There's the part number from Ford dealer, 38 bucks. What's going on is my blower fan's only working on 4. There's no other speeds. I've just got position 4 where it blows out and that's it. And the resistor's gone bad. So what you gotta do, what I do, glove box here, there's 3 7mm bolts right here. One here, and one right there. Again, right there, there, and there. Take those out, and then I'm gonna lift the glove box out. I'll show you what I'm doing here. Let me go and get this out first. So you see, as you see, I have the 3 7mm bolts out. Now I'm just gonna pull the drop the glove box like that, and the resistor is right there. If you can see the wire, right there it is. There's 2 bolts there. They're both 8mm. I'm gonna remove the 2 bolts and I'll pull it out and then I'll disconnect it. But we're gonna do that next. Okay, you can see I've got the bolts out. They're 8mm. Pull the other one out so it doesn't drop and get lost. Pull it out. Now I'm gonna pull the resistor out like so. And I'm gonna disconnect it from the wiring harness, which is right there. I'm gonna pull that off and I'll be right back. And as you can see, I'm lucky there's nothing melted or burned on it. I got lucky. My truck's 13 years old. And like I said, it's got a little over 300,000 miles on it now with the 5.0 in it. But I'm gonna put the new resistor in. Okay, there's a new resistor. I'm gonna put it back up in its slot here. Okay, as you can see, we have the new resistor in. I'm gonna turn the ignition on. I'm gonna hit the defrost, and as you can hear, the blower's running. That's on 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's working. So that resistor was bad. Like I said, it was only working on 4. Now it's working on all 4 speeds. So that pretty much takes care of that. I'm going to put the glove box back on. Jeez, I can't even talk. Put the glove box back on with the 3 7mm screws right here. And then the job will be done. Okay, the glove box back in. Here's the 3 8mm screws. One there, one here, and one right there. You can see them right there. Just tighten them tight. Don't go extreme. Just nice and snug. And that's how you change the resistor. So if your truck fan speed's only working on 1 speed, it's probably going to be the resistor. Hopefully you don't have one that's melted, because if you did, then you're going to have to get a new wire in and solder it together. But luckily this one here, like I said, my truck's 2013, so it's 10 years old. I got lucky. Nothing's melted or burned. It's just a resistor just wore out. But I have all speeds now, so this is how you change the resistor. Take care.